Today I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Smartsheet. Whether you're onboarding new team members or adjusting permissions for existing users, understanding how to control user access is essential for keeping your workspace organized and secure. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the Smartsheet homepage where you'll begin the user management process. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find your user icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select User Management. This action will take you directly to the Smartsheet Admin Center, which is your control hub for all user-related settings and permissions. In the Admin Center, adding a new user is straightforward. Simply click on the Add User button. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the new user's first name, last name, and email address. These details ensure the invitation reaches the right person and helps you keep track of who has access to your workspace. Next, you'll be able to select a role for this user. Roles determine what level of access and permissions the user will have within your Smartsheet environment. Once you've filled in all the required information and selected the appropriate role, click Invite. The invitation is now sent to the user's email, and they can begin the process of joining your workspace. Managing existing users is just as simple. On the right side of each user's name, you'll notice a pencil icon. Click this icon to edit the user's information. Here you can modify their first name, last name, primary email address, and assigned roles. This flexibility is useful when team members change positions or contact information needs updating. Right beside that pencil icon, you'll see 3 dots. Clicking these dots reveals additional options for managing that specific user. The menu includes Edit User, View Group Membership, Resend Invite Email, Remove from Groups, and Remove User. These options give you comprehensive control over individual user accounts, allowing you to adjust access as your team's needs evolve. For more advanced user management tasks, you can click on More Actions. This opens up a range of bulk management features. You can import multiple users at once, which saves time when onboarding larger teams. There's also an option to bulk update basic permissions, allowing you to adjust settings for multiple users simultaneously. Additionally, you can generate reports to track user activity and access patterns, and if necessary, revoke access to specific items for security purposes. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently manage users in Smartsheet, from adding new team members to adjusting permissions and handling bulk updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.